you join us on this particularly sunny day today up in Wigmore. We are in Maidstone Road in Wigmore with this 4-bedroom detached stunning family house, complete with block paved driveway at the front, garage to the side, fantastic family sized garden as well. Location is fantastic in terms of access to your main roads, your amenities, local shops, certainly schools. So if you're looking to move to be closer to decent schools as well, this could well be the one for you. You'll see as we go through the property with the pictures and the video that the vendors have spent considerable time, money and effort in modernising and updating the property. All of the rooms are fantastic sizes. There's going to be something here for everyone. So follow me, let's go and have a look. So you're joining us in the entrance hall of this fantastic property where you will find, in no particular order, so we have the study stroke office, obviously to my right, and we've got lounge to the left. We've got some fantastic features again which will include things like the window shutters. We've got formal dining room to the right which is open plan as you'll see, to the fantastic family room as well. To the left we've then got a downstairs WC, and if you follow me we'll then be walking through into the big kitchen breakfast room complete with mod cons. Equally we've got the utility room to the side and further WC. So you join me at the top of the stairs on this fantastic galleried landing that gives you an indication of what's to come. Obviously it's light, it's open, plenty of space. So you're going to find on this floor 4 double bedrooms, master which you will see shortly with ensuite, some storage here as well, obviously giving you access to the loft space. Again as you walk through it's all light and airy, a fantastic finish again which you'll see shortly. So this is the main bedroom, which as soon as you walk in, you're going to see, again, is a decent size. It's light, it's airy, it's dual aspect. It gives you a fantastic view of the garden. Not only have we got a fantastic size bedroom, but if you follow me, then we've got this walk-in wardrobe area. And not only have we got that, which as you'll see has got plenty of storage, hanging space, we've then got the ensuite as well. Come and have a look. So we're now outside in this fantastic sized garden. So just to give you an approximation, we're looking at a roughly 115 foot in terms of the depth, probably 50 foot or so in terms of width. Now, as you'll see from the camera, you've got this huge grass area. So kids, entertaining, summer, anytime that you want to be outside, you've got more than enough room. You're going to see at the back there, so you have also got large timber shed there. You've also got this interesting building in the corner here, which may well offer some form of opportunity, development, use it as you would like. So, in summary, why wouldn't you want to come and see all that is on offer on this fantastic property? So features to boot, you've got the secure gated entrance, fantastic garden, it's very well proportioned, it's in extremely good condition. You've got the multi-fuel burner that's in the family room, you've got air conditioning units, everything that family needs. So you know what to do. Give Harrison's Reeve a call, John and the team on 01634 379 799.